And what do you know about 𝐿-Mind?
Actually, zero knowledge po, sorry.
Okay, it's fine. So I'm just here to explain what the device is for you and what it can do for you. So essentially, 𝐿-Mind, it's from BTL, so our company is from Europe. And the device can help with your mental wellness. We have a lot of different technologies that address mental illnesses like your depression, OCD and all that. But this device is good for people who are also healthy, healthy individuals. Even those who are just stressed or like people in executive positions na maraming decisions na ginagawa in the day. So we can also use this for them. It's very strong in the sense na the technology can help the neurons or even the connections in your brain. So it means to the cellular or smallest level. Maganda sa kanya, it's non-invasive. So you don't have any wounds or any downtime with it. There shouldn't be any pain also during the procedure. What you will feel is just tapping on your head. So there's no discomfort. It's very quick. It's just 24.5 minutes. The technology it uses is what we call EMS. So your EMS stands for transcranial magnetic stimulation. So meaning just magnetic energy yung ginagamit to stimulate your neurons and the neural connections. I just have to ask, do you have like any metal implants on your head or anything like that?
Kabado po since parang ang feel ko is parang electric something kasi lalagay sa ulo. Pero nung nilagay naman natin na feel ko yung first step, mas relaxing. During procedure po, more on naramdaman ko yung antok. And habang tumatagal siya, parang kahit hindi mo ipikit yung mata mo, napapapikit ka kasi more on, yung relaxing side niya is antok. After, siguro po mas na-lighten yung mood and parang magaan siya and relaxing talaga siya. Yes po, 100% i-recommend ko since yung nag-ask din ng kay ma'am sa nurse po if nakaka-help ba siya for nahirapan sa pagtulog, pag-stress, ganyan. Yes, no po, and some few questions na if ever na may hallucination, mental illness, sobrang helpful po siya. Siguro, try it first kasi pag na-try nila, for sure, babalik at babalik sila kasi yung feeling na mas magaan yung pakiramdam.